Imagine seeing a wheel fly off a truck and bound across lanes of highway traffic. CTV's Zoraida Allman joins us with a heart-stopping story. Zoraida, this wheel made contact.
Sure did, Michelle. It traveled across 3 lanes of highway and over a guardrail before crushing a roof. All of it caught on Don Williams' dash cam.
Records for probably a couple days at least.
Don Williams says his dash cam is always recording, and it was rolling this morning as he drove eastbound along the 401.
Just ready to get onto the on-ramp of the 400 to go northbound back home.
What happened next he could not have imagined. Watch the right-hand side of your screen as a tire comes bouncing across from the far end of the collector lanes.
It hit the guardrail, bounced right up on top of the guardrail, then right up on top of the car, maybe 1 or 2 in front of me.
You can see cars hitting their brake lights as the tire bounces onto the roof of the vehicle 2 cars ahead and then keeps going.
I pulled over to the one side and right in behind the car, just to sort of get right off the road as safe as I could be.
Williams called police.
Yeah, hi, I'm on the 401 express lanes.
Luckily, nobody was hurt, including the driver whose car was hit.
It was pretty scary because, when the tire's bouncing, you really don't know where it's going to go. You don't know if it's going to bounce towards you.
A scary situation Williams says he wanted to share.
I just hope that, what happened and what I did will help the greater cause.
To hopefully serve as a reminder to anyone who gets behind the wheel.
Wake people up to realize that, anything can happen on the road and just be prepared for it and just get ready to react as quick as you can.
Now, Williams says the driver of the car that got hit didn't even realize it was a tire that had hit him. Again, he was not hurt, although there was damage to his vehicle. Now, as far as where the tire came from, nobody knows. The OPP is now looking into it. I'm Zoraida Allman reporting live. Ken, back to you.